Yes. The second question is, Professor, that can you explain how birds act as an indicator of environment health?
Yes, it's a good question. Birds are crucial. Birds, butterfly, insect are very crucial indicator of the environment, because the better good environment or the better the environment, there will be more diversity of species of birds and butterflies and insects and many other species also. But let us keep birds in our focus. So the birds play, and there have been many studies which show that even in urban environment, if you have gardens and lawns and shrubs and herbs and all things, which we all aim for, because no one wants only concrete jungle. If most of the people would like to have garden among their in the surroundings, or tree among their surroundings, and so the birds are a good indicator. If you have got more species or the more diversity of birds and more number of birds, it also shows that the environment is good. Birds are sensitive to pollution. So even if we are not able to detect it properly, or because human being is a very versatile and very adaptable species, but many species are not so adaptable. So if we have if we have pollution, then the birds, some species disappear. Similarly, whether the air pollution or the pesticide pollution, so the birds disappear. Presence of birds in a lawn. We don't have any lawns these days, but certainly in some areas we still have lawns or fields and like that. Itself shows that the environment is much better than in the areas where there are no birds or very little birds. Because when the environment is good, then there will be more insect and worms, and then more food for birds. And we get more nesting sites for birds. So birds are considered as a good indicator of the environment. And there are studies in and semi-urban areas where they use the birds as a major indicator.
Basically, losing the birds from the environment is indicating the damage in that environment.
Hmm. Yes, you are right.
Okay, okay, Professor.
Birds also, presence of different species of birds also show the diversity of the tree, shrubs, and environment there. Hmm. So you may not be able to identify all the species of the trees or the shrubs, but if you see there are, for example, in place A there are 50 different species of birds, and in place B there are only 10 or 15 species, then you know that the place where 50 species of the birds are found is much better than the other. So sometimes we use the birds as an indicator. And very simple. Birds can also be identified quite easily compared to the insects, with data which involves technical and expertise to identify different species. Birds are much easier to identify.